Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import a budget into Xero. So first, you may want to head over to Xero.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on accounting, then click on reports. From here, you can basically just import your budget by clicking on the import button. You can also use the overall budget that was pre-made template that you can fill out. So it's a 12-month budget starting January 2025 in this year. So you can basically use this template if you don't have an existing template for your overall budget. And the next step is, of course, add in your data to the downloaded file. So in my case, I'm just going to download this template in CSV file. And once everything is done, you've already added the data to the downloaded file, you can start importing the updated budget. Just click on Browse, then select the budget file, then open it. Lastly, click on the Import button. So, lastly, confirm you want to set this as the overall budget. This includes 35 accounts with updated budgets. And if you think that everything is good with your file, the details are all correct and accurate, you can click on the confirm button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!